हाय एवरीवन। सो आई होप आपको ये सीरीज़ पसंद आ रही हो। आपने क्रिस्पर 2.0 का वीडियो देखा होगा। सो टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडियाज़ बायो इकोनॉमी 2026। तो हम इसमें कुछ टॉप स्टार्टअप्स की बात करेंगे। सो वी ऑफन टॉक अबाउट द सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्स, बट राइट नाउ देर इज़ अ मच डीपर, मच मोर वाइटल रेवोल्यूशन हैपनिंग, एंड इट्स नॉट रिटन इन कंप्यूटर कोड, इट्स रिटन इन द कोड ऑफ लाइफ इटसेल्फ। सो आज हम बात करेंगे इंडियन बायो रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में। वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम अ कंट्री दैट सिंपली मैन्युफैक्चर्स मेडिसिन फॉर द वर्ल्ड टू बिकमिंग अ वर्ल्ड्स ग्लोबल लेबोरेटरी। सो हम एक शिफ्ट की बात कर रहे हैं। दैट शिफ्ट इज फ्रॉम वॉल्यूम टू वैल्यू। स्केल प्लस अफोर्डेबिलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू ग्लोबल इम्पैक्ट। इस पे हमारा मेन फोकस है। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, तो चैलेंज क्या है? वाई इज दिस हैपनिंग नाउ? वेल, वी आर फेसिंग अ ट्रायड ऑफ मैसिव ग्लोबल challenges. By 2050, we are looking at a world of 9.7 billion people. That's a lot of mouths to feed and a lot of patients to treat, all while our natural resources are becoming scarcer and our climate more volatile. So, what is the biggest hurdle? Healthcare inequality. ये बहुत ही बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इस टाइम पर. For too long, the most advanced life saving technologies have been way too expensive for the global south. But there is a shift happening. Biology is becoming the new technology. Biology is the future of technology. To solve these problems, we need interventions that don't just work in the lab but work for billions. If you look at the numbers, the growth is staggering. The Indian bioeconomy is exploding at the rate of 14 to 18%, easily surpassing the global average. We are set a massive target of 300 billion by 2030. But it's not just about the money, it's about the strategy. We are transitioning from being the world's pharmacy for cheap generic drugs to becoming a hub of indigenous innovation. We are using our own massive domestic population as a test bed to prove that high tech biology can be scaled affordably. सस्ता करना दवाइयों को, जो महंगे वैक्सीन, जो महंगी दवाइयाँ डॉलर्स में बिकते हैं, उनको 1/10 प्राइस पर लेकर आना. सो ये सब एक एक्सीडेंट से नहीं होता है. इट्स अ रिजल्ट what I call the ecosystem machine. So the government and private sector have teamed up to create physical hubs like BioNest and BioClusters in cities like Bangalore, Pune, Mohali. You have the policy like 100% FDA approval, etc. Funding from the BIRAC and other institutes like DBT. But the real engine behind this isn't just policy, it's people. We have a massive demographic dividend. We are seeing a reverse brain drain where world class researchers are moving back to India to start labs and companies. IIT Bombay जैसे institutes actively recruit कर रहे हैं, and they are actively recruiting for faculties that have and decades of experience in new technologies. We have a massive pipeline of STEM graduates who are no longer just looking for jobs, they are looking to solve problems. तो अब कुछ एक्चुअल कहानियों की बात करते हैं, जैसा कि इस वीडियो में वादा किया गया, टॉप 5 स्टार्टअप्स। तो पहला माय फेवरेट इज़ दिस नेक्स्ट कार 19। मैं इसको लगभग 1 साल से शायद ट्रैक कर रहा हूँ। तो डॉक्टर राहुल पुरवार आईआईटी बॉम्बे के हैं। इनके द्वारा ये इम्यूनो एसिटी कंपनी के नाम से जो चलाया जाता है प्रोडक्ट, इनका नेक्स्ट कार 9 बहुत ही रेवोल्यूशनरी आइडिया है, बहुत ही रेवोल्यूशनरी। सो इन द यूएस, एडवांस्ड कैंसर थेरेपीज लाइक CAR-T कैन कॉस्ट ओवर $4 lakh. That's a death sentence for 99% of people who can't afford it. But this startup, born right out of IIT Bombay, has created an indigenous version. It's a living drug where they teach your own immune cells to hunt cancer. Because they have localized the tech, they have drastically reduced the cost. और सिर्फ इंडिया के लिए नहीं, आपने सुना होगा मेडिकल टूरिज्म इंडिया में बहुत बढ़ रहा है। हमारी गवर्नमेंट उस पर काम कर रही है। उस मेडिकल टूरिज्म का भी बहुत बड़ा अट्रैक्शन ये पॉइंट ये बना है। So next story is the vector supply chain. Even if you have a miracle cure, you need a way to build it. Manufacturing the vectors, the delivery trucks for gene therapy, has always been a massive bottleneck. It's slow and expensive. So the Vector Biomed, their Lentiverse platform has turned a process that used to produce one dose per month into something that can produce a dose per day. So another story, fighting tuberculosis in rural India. Sometimes the biggest innovation is just making things Smaller. Tuberculosis is a crisis in rural areas, but traditional X-ray machines are bulky and require a hospital. सो आईआईटी कानपुर एंड आईसीएमआर के कोलैबोरेशन ने एक हैंड हेल्ड एक्सरे डिवाइस बनाई है. इट्स अ बैटरी ऑपरेटेड एंड लाइट वेट. इट ब्रिंग्स द स्क्रीनिंग राइट टू अ villager's doorstep, breaking the chain of transmission before it can spread. And now the sickle cell anemia. This disease is prevalent in tribal belts but often neglected because they lack affordable testing. So researchers like Dr. Debjani Paul have developed simple, robust kits for rapid field testing. This is critical for national mission to eliminate these disorders in remote areas. It's about making sure no one is left behind just because of where they live. But the bio revolution is not just about medicine, it's about the planet. हम बहुत समय से फॉसिल फ्यूल्स और ऐसे केमिकल्स जो नेचर को डैमेज करते हैं उस पर निर्भरता दिखाते आए हैं. The Indian industrial biotech sector is now creating green refrigerants and waste to wealth biofuels. We are talking about a circular economy where our energy comes from biological sources, reducing our carbon footprint while boosting our economy. इस फील्ड में बहुत सारे CSIR इंस्टीट्यूट्स काम कर रहे हैं. और एक बहुत ही बड़ा मुद्दा, we have to talk about food. Feeding 1.4 billion people while our soil health is declining is a monumental challenge. The solution is bioagriculture. So we are replacing harsh chemical fertilizers with microorganisms that mobilize nutrients naturally. These biofertilizers protect biodiversity while actually increasing the nutritional value of our food. So for a long time, India was seen as a user of technology. Not anymore. We are now an owner. Our patent grant rate is now among the highest globally at 78.6%. We are codifying and protecting our indigenous inventions. Whether it's biotech or digital communication, we are moving from imitation to novel creation. So, what's next? The CSIR roadmap is clear: indigenization. We want to reduce our dependence on imported ingredients for even basic medicines like paracetamol. We want to commercialize gene therapies and find sustainable solutions like hydrogen storage and carbon fiber composites. Vision 2030, an innovation powerhouse. By 2030, the goal is for India to be a global biomanufacturing hub. The strategy is simple: self reliance. The promise is not just for India, it's for the world. By delivering technologies that are globally competitive yet affordable, we are creating a blueprint for the entire global south. So, at its heart, the Indian biotech landscape is where policy, talent, and necessity meet. It's a crucible of life. By solving problems for 1.4 billion people here in India, our startups are creating a new way of doing science, one that is affordable, scalable, and most important, human. Thanks for joining me on this discovery. The future is not just coming, it's being grown right here. See you next time. Dhanyavad.